Hello. You have to pardon my truck here. It's been a long winter in Minnesota. It's not very much fun, but beside the point. I'm going to cover a pretty common problem if you have an airbag light on your dash. Boom. And you'll get a service warning down here. It says service airbag. Doesn't show that right now, but there it is right there. This is for an 07 through, I believe, 2014 GMC Yukon or Chevy Tahoe. Super common. Real quick to look, it's the most common airbag fault code on these vehicles, and it has to do with the seat position sensor on the driver's side. So what you want to do is, driver's side, here's the console, here's the seat, look down right over here. Again, pardon the mess. It's a pretty disastrous scenario down here, but if you look right here, there's your seat position sensor, and if you look right here, that's the wire that's supposed to go to it, broken clean off. Super common. I repaired that with a soldering iron here a while back and it worked just fine, but I have ordered a new connector so that I can properly fix that issue. So boom, there it is. You order the new connector, you fix the wire. 90% of the airbag problems are right here. Seat position sensor, driver's front seat. Oh, head rush. Okay, so if you got the airbag, get your flashlight, airbag light, get your flashlight, look down there. 90% of the time that's your problem. And I hope this helps some people. Just a real quick video here. Hope to, if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have many more videos out on this particular vehicle, including problems with the lumbar on this seat. Our seat doesn't want to move. You know, I got a bunch of them out there. Just check my channel, like and subscribe. I hope I helped you out. If I didn't, I'm sorry. Man, we got spring coming here. I cannot wait. It's about 30 degrees now, but I'm ready for some summer. So, happy spring, everybody. Talk to you later.